this video, I'll show you how to create a wrap knot. I'll be using a 4mm braided cord, such as DMC Nova Vita, also known as a tubular yarn. Take the filler cords, also known as middle strands, and gather together. Place a working cord at the top to create a U shape. Take the end of the cord and begin wrapping, starting at the top and working down. Wrap until you reach your desired length. Take the working cord and pass through the loop at the front. Now pull the top of the working cord so that the loop is hidden by the wrapping. Now trim the ends of the cords to neaten. This is often used in plant hanger designs like this one here.